Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Top Productions. In this week's video, we're filming for probably the last time we ever will in the old place. We've now moved just about everything. As you can see, the 232s are no longer there, and a majority of my car parts aren't here either. The place is an absolute mess at the moment just because we are in the middle of moving. I just wanted to start this video here to sort of, I guess, say goodbye to this place. I've done a lot of videos here, probably just over 40 in this backyard working on cars, so bit of sentimental closure, I guess, something like that. I don't know. Enough of that. We'll jump over and have a gaze at the Skylines, the Stagia, the 31 when it's there, and the new car that you guys have yet to see. I just can't help myself when it comes to these things. This thing, just like the rest of them, popped up too cheap to say no to. Another car and a move. That's what's going on in this week's video. Kind of another vlog, but whatever. See how we go. I'll catch you guys over at the next place. Hope you enjoy this little montage. Alrighty guys, as you can see, it's pretty dreary out here, unfortunately. It's just been raining the whole day. I've put this off for a couple of hours, trying to wait until it's stopped raining to film, but it's just not going to stop, so just got to film in the rain. We're missing the R31. Its clutch pedal went all the way to the ground on the way home, so I had to turn around and take it back to the old place, and it's going to have to stay there until, probably just until tomorrow, until I can go there and fix it, which is a pain in the butt, but whatever. So yeah, I'd love to get the covers off the cars and show you each one here, but that's not going to happen because they both leak and or don't have bonnets, so they can just stay on there for now. But I think mostly what I'm going to be showing you today is the E36. Look at that thing, god dang, so much nicer than the sedans. Probably won't be doing anything on the channel for a while with it, just because we've got the 31 to drift. That's still the goal, it's still the plan. We're still drifting the 31, still building the 32. This thing, if anything, might just serve as a new daily, just because that's the kind of car it is. I don't want to drift it like the other E36s. I actually like this one. So for any of you who've been watching for a little while, at least as far as back as Alyssa's build, you probably recognize this place. This is where we built Alyssa's R33, and potentially later on, a few months down the track, a garage space for us. But at this point, we get the paddock. So we'll jump in the E36, go for a drive, and that'll probably be it for this week's video, just because, again, rain, not much we can do, and yeah, jump in the E36, go for a cruise. Alrighty guys, while we're in the E36, I thought I'd give you a basic rundown of how I sort of got it, how it came into my possession. So it got posted on Facebook Marketplace for 1,800 bucks. I saw it the night before we had to move out here, sent the dude a message and was like, hey, can I come and have a look right now? He said, yeah, sure. I've got a few other people who are first in line, but if you want to come and have a look right now, you're more than welcome to. Went over there with $1,500 in my pocket. If he needed more than that for it, then I was going to pass on it because I don't need any more cars. So he said, yeah, mate, yep, if you can take it tonight, $1,500, done, it's yours. Now I have an E36 coupe. Since driving it out here and just looking at it and just looking at the body kits that I could put on it and thinking about the awesomeness I could do with putting a 2J in it and all that kind of crap, I've fallen in love with it and the idea of it and just the pure potential I see in it, just because it is such a nice chassis. Like, there is literally no dents over the whole thing. The panels are so straight. Everything is just crisp and mint and so nice, especially for an E36. And if you don't think I'd know, this is now my 6th E36. It's my first coupe, but it is my 6th E36. I've owned 5 before this. Each one could not compare to the condition of this one. Anyway guys, that's going to be it for this week's video. I hope you have enjoyed. We're sort of going in a more vlog style than a work on cars style now, which I kind of prefer, to be honest with you, because it doesn't rely on me always having to have work on my cars being done. I can kind of just do what I'm doing and film it, which I much prefer. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I know these videos have been doing a lot better than the videos where I just work on my cars. Like, it really shows in the views. You guys much prefer to watch the videos where I'm vlogging than the videos where I'm just working on my cars. That'll be it for this week's video, guys. I hope you have enjoyed. I'll catch you in next week's video, where I don't know what I'm going to be doing. See you then. Bye.